wasn't able to join us today, so Joe is going to be leading again. And as usual, if you guys have any questions about what we learned about today, you're welcome to save your questions for the tech discussion room. All right, let's get started, Joe, whenever you're ready. Perfect. That looks great.
Okay, so today we're going to be talking about smart TV tips and tricks. So what makes a smart TV, what makes a TV smart? Smart TVs connect to the internet for apps, streaming, and updates. They integrate with services like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify, and they may include voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. Sorry if I activated your device. Turn your TV into a full entertainment hub beyond cable or
Wrong assistant. Joe, I'm Alexa.
Alexa, stop. All right, I won't say the voice assistant words because she's going to talk to me. All right, full entertainment hub beyond cable or satellite. Setting up Wi-Fi correctly. Connect to a strong, secure Wi-Fi network for smooth streaming. Keep your TV close to the router or use a wired Ethernet connection. And update router firmware for better performance and stability. Avoid public or shared networks to protect your information. Organizing apps on your TV. Download only the apps you actually use to reduce clutter. Rearrange apps so favorites appear on your home screen. And remove pre-installed apps you never opened to save space. Explore your TV's app store for hidden gems like fitness or news apps. Streaming TV. Use streaming apps instead of cable to save money. Enable subtitles for clarity when watching foreign films or shows. And adjust streaming quality settings to match your internet speed. Try lesser-known apps for documentaries in India, films, I think that's what it said, or free content. Screen mirroring and casting. Mirror your phone or laptop screen directly onto your TV. Use casting apps like Chromecast or AirPlay for wireless sharing. Perfect for showing pictures, slideshows, or work presentations. Check capability and settings before trying to connect. Compatibility and settings. Customizing picture settings. Adjusting brightness, contrast, and color for your room's lighting. Use movie mode or cinema mode for a theater-like experience. Turn off motion smoothing for a more natural look. Save profiles for sports, movies, and gaming separately. Casting on a smart TV. Gaming. I don't know why I said casting. Gaming on a smart TV. Enable game mode for reduced lag and smoother performance. Some TVs now support gaming services like Xbox Game Pass. Pair wireless controllers via Bluetooth for console-like play. Adjust refresh rate settings for fast-paced action games. Parental controls and safety. Set up PIN codes to limit certain apps or channels. Restrict content by rating to ensure family-friendly viewing. Use built-in timers to limit screen time for kids. And regularly review app downloads and TV activity history. Smart home integration. Connect your TV to smart home systems like and Google. I'm not going to say the words there. Control lights, thermostats, or cameras directly from your screen. Set routines. Example, movie night turns off lights and starts Netflix. Check capability with all desired devices before linking them together. Fixing common issues. Restart or turn off your TV if apps freeze or won't open for no reason. Clearing cache or reinstalling apps should fix performance issues. Reset network settings if Wi-Fi disconnects often. Consult manufacturer support if troubleshooting fails and problems persist. Accessibility features. You can enable closed captions and audio descriptions if needed. Use voice navigation for easier menu browsing. Adjust text size and color to read captions and other word descriptions. Many TVs offer screen readers to guide visually impaired users. Conclusion. Smart TVs are powerful entertainment hubs with endless possibilities. Organize apps, optimize settings, and use voice commands for ease. Keep your system updated, and integrate with your smart home. With the right tricks, your TV becomes smarter, faster, and more fun. Now we have this video to stop the casting.